It's a little cold out here and I didn't bring arm or leg warmers, but going for about an hour this morning. Then we're gonna go do something all day and then come back and go ride at night. Just pulling back in. 21.2 miles done. Average 20.1, strong ride. Let's go get some breakfast. We're in a bit of a dilemma. We're hungry and there's no food in the house, so we're gonna buy food. Andy's mom sees this, we're dead. Lock the house, would you? Think about it, who's gonna hit a car in the parking lot?
I gotta see how much it is to park. Is this shit? Oh, shit.
You ripped it.
God.
Some food. Andy doesn't want food. F coffee. The spot. Legendary.
Where's my milkshake?
Crushed it.
Got any more?
Word to Big Bird. Let's go exploring. Trip is foreign. Foreign to England. Foreigners. All the way up. Group of people.
Yeah.
Trying to scale this mountain. Big guy. Why didn't we go to a more underrated spot, Andy? Yeah, that's why I take a chairlift. Looking at you, raccoon. Well, that's what happens when we don't go racing. We go for an adventure. There's the whip. I was like, no, it's just a short trip. Well, we're back. Only got in a fight with one car this time. So Lanky Pasta Vlogs. This is gonna be get Andy fit in how many weeks do I here for?
4 months.
Yeah, how many weeks is that?
16.
So 16 weeks. And he's gonna try and be as good as me on a bicycle in 16 weeks. He just needs to listen to me, but he doesn't listen to me, so I don't know.